Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have the wonderful Amanda from LuxMommy here. We are at a conference together and we're roommates, so we thought it would be so fun to do an unboxing video. I feel like that's so perfect for us. So I'm gonna be unboxing two things from Louis Vuitton. She has two things from Gucci. And her items are way better than mine, way better, but we still thought this would be really fun. So if you guys aren't familiar with Amanda, you guys definitely need to go check her out. I'll link her page or her YouTube down below. She also has an amazing Instagram.
Aww,
seriously, goals. But anyway, definitely check her out because if you like me, maybe you don't like me, but if you do like me, you'll definitely like her. One quick thing to mention, you can tell we are in a hotel room, so I'm really sorry if like the sound or the quality is a little bit off. We're trying our best, but we have like a really weird setup behind us.
And the laptop is right in front of us, so if we're looking down a lot, sorry.
It's to make sure that we are in focus.
Because if we get a little bit off, it's going to get really blurry.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and Amanda's gonna go first.
So I have my first, yes, I'll do this one first. So this is, you can see I've got the small little box here. I was hoping, I ordered both of these items online, so I was hoping to get something fancy. They just gave me their plain classic boxing, but it's still really, really nice. And let me open it up. We have some tissue. I actually haven't, hopefully I got the right size and everything is good. You'll probably recognize what it is once you see the little bag. There we go. Oh, it's so light. Feel it.
It is super light.
Yeah. Oh, it has. Oh, okay. That's.
But I think I have this. Yeah, I think I have this.
You do,
but not the same.
You have it, but not the same. Okay, so they have it obviously wrapped really well. That's
oh my gosh, this is what Gucci does. It's like
they're wrapping, they're packaging. They really make sure that you get your items, and they're very well packaged.
Yes, this
is so
perfect.
Shay has this in black, so I knew it was that color. I've wanted this belt for quite a while. I actually ordered this belt 3 or 4 months ago. I was supposed to get it in like 30 days. I didn't get it, and so I was like, I'm not going to end up getting it. But I love it, and I of course got it in the nude pinky rose color with the gold hardware, and I love it. This is the smaller size. I think it's what, 7/8 of an inch, or right around an inch, or something like that. So this is the smaller size, and this one was $320. I cannot remember the exact price, but Shay will link it down below.
Yeah, I'll link everything down below if you want to check it out. But yeah, perfect. All right, so here is my bag, and I have two different things, but they're actually two of the same exact things, and they are matching. So one is for me and one is for my husband, and I don't know which one is which. So I'm just gonna open it and I will show you what it is. Super cute. I've always wanted this. So what it is this is my husband's. It is the Eclipse Monogram passport holder.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. So he's not really like super into luxury like at all.
Yeah.
He has like a Gucci necklace, and that's about it. I think he just liked the necklace. But other than that, he really doesn't ever buy anything. But I think he travels all the time. So I don't know. I think he just wanted this.
I love that.
So,
Can I see? I want to see the size. Yeah, I love that.
And you have
no, I don't have a
don't
passport. I actually want to get one. I do want to get one.
Right. And then mine is, it's like his and hers, because mine is the monogram as well, but it's just, you know, the regular monogram. And I do like the idea of like the monogram, you know, getting it a little bit more personalized, but I also really like how this is very classic, you know. Yeah, you can't go wrong. So it's cute, and I really like it. So
I love it.
Matching.
And the last thing that I have is in this Gucci box. You can see it's thin. Any guesses? I'm actually super excited about this. We did a live last night, and somebody asked about this line, and I was like, yes, I love that line. I love that line, and I can't open the box. So here is the box with the tissue and everything.
I love this. I can't wait to see it in person.
Maybe I can wear it today.
Maybe you could.
Oh, I actually have never gotten one of these stuff.
Yeah, like a flap one.
Like a flap one. That's pretty cool.
Oh my gosh, it is. I love it. I love it.
And now we both don't know how to say it. We both don't know how to say it. What is it? Ophidia?
Yeah.
Ophidia?
I don't know.
So this is the Ophidia clutch.
Love it.
So this, you could use as so many different things. I plan on using it as like a clutch, as like an evening clutch, but also for day, because you guys know how much I love my Neverfull pouches. You guys know how much I love those. And so I want to be able to just kind of throw all my stuff in here and use it as a smaller day bag, but as well as like an evening night bag as well. So I love it.
I think the size is really good. Is it the size that you expected it to be?
It is. It's actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but in a good way.
Yeah, like I think it's a really good size.
Yeah, a really good size. There's something to me about this red and green. It's so classic. And I feel like this is the kind of bag that, yes, I know they've kind of revamped this line, but I feel like it's classic.
Yeah.
You can literally, this almost feels like I might have even inherited this from my grandmother or something, right? Like I just feel like it's so classic and stunning. So that is it, guys.
Yay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, Amanda, for being on my channel. And if you haven't already checked out LuxMommy, then please do, even though I'm sure so many of you out there already love and watch her all the time. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon in our next videos. Bye.